Okay, so wait, what I know, right? Okay, so there was a big, humongous whale, and then he has a little fish friend. There's a little fish friend. So I fish, I get the fish. He has a little fish friend, and then that fish, he always talk to him, and then he asked the fish, he asked the fish. So wait, yeah, he asked the fish, and then there was a bat, and then the fish told him there is like somewhere, and then there's some things there, and he told one really important thing. I think there's also a knife there, I think. And then he was, and then there, and then the next day he swam to the place the little fish told him, and then he swam and swam until he found it, and then he found all the stuff, and then he opened his mouth and gulped all the stuff, gulp gulp gulp, and then he did not know there was a man also in there, so he also swallowed a man. And then this man was stayed in there, like when Jonah in the big whale, yeah. And like Jonah in the big fish or whale, I think. And then the whale gulped everything in there. And then this stuff was in his belly. Does he have a throat yet? No. And then the man was inside the whale. I did not know this part. Wait. Oh yeah. And then he got his sword, I think, and then he got out of the whale, but he did not know the rope. I think he had the rope then was stuck somewhere in the whale, I think, and then the man tried to get out of it. The man tried to get out there. I didn't know that. Tried to get out, but the whale was there. I think that's